Hey guys, so today I have the September Witch Casket box to show you. If you haven't seen me open this before, it is a UK box and it's £29 a month. They do post it worldwide. I will put the prices for the countries that I do know down below in the description in case you want to go and check them out. But yeah, we're just going to open this and see what is in this one. Now I have been saying that the last few have been a little more empty in my personal opinion. A lot of people have been saying they're still enjoying them, they don't think they're empty. A few people have been saying that they are definitely more empty, so it's kind of a split 50-50 sort of thing, but we will see what this one is like. Now I feel like this one only just arrived for me, and this one is a September one, so I'm not sure if mine seem to be a little delayed at the moment because we're in October now obviously. But yeah, I feel like they used to come a little earlier, so it's either my post or I'm not really sure. But yeah, this one is the September one and it's Candle Magic is the theme. Seems to be like a brownie kind of coloured theme, and for anyone that hasn't had this before, this little booklet tells you everything about all of the items that come in the box. So we're not going to read off that because I'm going to show you, but if you do get the box, that is what this is. So first of all, on the top we have our little mini art print. You do always get a little art print, and this one is like a little spooky candle design on some books. We've got a bigger one and then another little one here, and if you don't want to use it as a print, they now do this on the back where it's a monthly manifestations card. So it says, what are my goals this month, what practical steps can I take to reach these goals, and what magical steps can I take to reach these goals. So if you've no use for the print, then you can use this on the back as well. Then we have our little spell kit for the month. So this one is an emotional healing candle ritual kit. It says it contains all you need to encourage emotional healing. So let's open this and see what is in this one. Okay, so we do have our little instructions. I'll hold that up in case anyone wants to read it in a minute. And then we've got some yarrow flower, some lavender, and a floating candle. So that is the three things in the spell kit. And this is what it says in case anyone wants to pause and read it. And that was our emotional healing candle ritual kit. Then next we have a little pouch that says intentions on it. So let's see what is in here. So this is a magical intentions carving candle tool apparently. So it says you use this tool to etch in what you want to represent your intentions to be into your candles before working candle magic. Work mindfully and with intent. So this is wooden, has a little pentacle engraving up here at the top, and then down here we have a little spiky metal etching part at the end. So I think that's actually very cute, very unusual item. You do like your little symbols in candles and stuff with that. You could also probably make some really pretty little designs on candles with that as well if you wanted to. So that is our little intentions candle carving tool. And then we have another little pouch. This one is a darker brown sort of colour, very caramelly coloured, and it's got a candle on it. Let's see what is in this one. Oh, okay, so this one, it doesn't have a little card in here that I can see, but this one is just like a little candle snuffer. So again, the same kind of wood as the other one, but this one has little like sparkles engraved into it, and it's kind of like a brassy rose goldy kind of coloured end, and you just put this over the top of candles to put them out. So again, a very useful, cute little unusual item there, I would say. Don't think we've had one of those for a very long time, so that is that one. Then next we have a little box, and this says ritual candle holder. So it says Witch Casket's exclusive ritual candle holder allows you to neatly and safely encircle your ritual candles with magical herbs, crystals, amulets and affirmations to match your desires. So let's have a see what this looks like. Oh, okay, cute. So this kind of matches the same colour as the little snuffer, so that'd be like nice to use together, I feel like. It is a very heavy metal, brassy, rose goldy coloured candle holder. It's giving like Scrooge, you know, like the Christmas film where he has the little candlestick. So you'd put your candle in here, and then you can put whatever you want into this part here. So crystals or anything, herbs like it said. Yeah, very cute. I do like that. I like that it matches the little snuffer as well. So we have that. Then we have another little candle holder apparently. So this one is a sapel wood spell candle holder. Maybe saying that wrong. Sapel. A decorative and practical aid to spellwork. Beautifully designed and crafted spell candle holder made from sapel wood, known for its calming yet powerful magical properties. So let's have a see what this one looks like. Oh, okay, so this one is like a big chunk of wood, and it has all these engravings on the top. So we have like little pentacles and swirls and filigrees and leaves and stuff like that, and then it's got this little metal spell candle holder part in the center there. So that is what that candle holder looks like. And then to go along with that, we do have some little spell candles. So there is 3 in here, it says. These candles can be used as part of any spell or ritual. Use the colour to match your intention. So we have black for protection, banishing and hex breaking, white for purity, peace and all magical workings, and grey for stability, balance and harmony. So that is what the 3 of those in there are like. And then we have our little enamel pin, so you always get a little mini pin. And this one is a cute little like lantern sort of design. It's very, very intricate. It's got loads of different little colours and stuff on there. You can see the candle in the centre with a little pentacle on it. Teeny tiny, very cute. It only has 1 pin on the back. I do like that one. It's giving like Victorian, I feel like. Very pretty, that one. And then the last thing before our scroll is another candle. So this one is a purity and protection candle. Oh, or it's half and half maybe? Let's have a look at it first before I read it. Yeah, it's half and half. Okay, so the bottom half is black, the top half is white. And again, this says black for banishing and protection and white for cleansing and purification. It says use this candle during any ritual to purify and protect as you work your magic. So this candle will be for the little Scroogey holder, and the other candles will be for the wooden holder. So at least you get a nice candle to kind of try out your new candle holder, I guess you could say. And then we have our scroll, so I will quickly open this and hold it up in case anyone wants to pause and read it. This one is dressing candles to match your intentions. So we have abundance, cleansing, happiness, healing, love, protection and empowerment. So yeah, that was everything in the September Candle Magic Witch Casket box. So I'll quickly grab it all and show you it all together at once. So we had the little mini candle art print, the emotional healing candle ritual kit, the 3 little different coloured spell candles, the wooden candle carving tool, the little wood and metal like candle snuffer. I don't actually know if that's the name for them, but that's what we're going to call them anyway. The little enamel pin, the half and half black and white purity and protection candle, the wooden spell candle holder, and the metal ritual candle holder as well. So all of these items in the Candle Magic September box, like I said. I think this one was okay, honestly. Maybe some larger items in this one, so I don't mind this one as much. I also like that it had different, like more unusual kind of items in this one, like the little candle carver and the snuffer and things like that. So not as samey as we've been having. I did appreciate the difference in this one, so you'll have to let me know what you thought of this one down below anyway. I will put all of the information for Witch Casket in the description in case you want to go and check them out as well, as always. And I hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.